Hello and welcome back to my channel. Are you interested in moving to Denmark on visa sponsorship? Then this video is for you. I found a couple of companies in Denmark that are recruiting international workers on visa sponsorship. So what we are doing in this video is I'm going to show you how to find these employers, the website that you're going to find these employers from. By the way, it is from the official government website. So I'll show you how I was able to find these companies and the jobs that I'll be sharing with you today. If you're interested, watch it and share with someone who is interested in moving abroad in 2026, and subscribe to the channel. Also, before we start, if you're interested in joining our Migration Ready Career Bootcamp coming up, it's a 2 weeks program with 6 live sessions. In that bootcamp, will help you rebuild your CV, optimize your LinkedIn, show you how to do a proper job search, and position yourself for international job opportunities. Because a lot of you have the experience, you have the qualification, you have the right skills, but positioning is your problem. These are all the things we're going to cover in that bootcamp. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. Grab it now because we have limited spot for this session. I'll see you inside. Let's get started. So you want to go to workindenmark.dk. Before you come for me and say, now, it doesn't work, because I know some of you say so many hurtful things in the comments, but that's not my concern. My concern is to help those interested in moving abroad to at least try their luck, okay? Try your luck first. If it doesn't work, that's fine. So go to Work in Denmark. This is the place you will find a visa sponsorship job, a legit company that can sponsor you to move abroad. It is from the official government website. So you want to go there, workindenmark.dk, and begin your job search, okay? Everything you need to know. This is for international job seekers, by the way. Everything you need to know is here. They have over 3,000 plus vacancies in their job portal. They have 1,000 plus US advisors. They have 13 upcoming job fairs. I will also advise you to check out their job fair calendar and see if there's anyone that will interest you if you're living overseas. On this website, you can also create your Europass CV. There's access to Europass portal. They will also guide you for settling down. Then you can chat with them every Friday. If you're looking for more information about job searching in Denmark, you have the opportunity to get in direct contact with a Danish US advisor. Okay, everything you need to know is here. So you're going to begin by searching for jobs. So this is what I did. No fluff, you're not wasting time here. This is what I did. I clicked on job search. It opened like this. When you're going through it, you see that there are so many jobs here, okay? But you need to filter it to favor you, okay? You need to filter it. If you're looking at it here, you see so many companies, so many jobs here, but which one is hiring international workers? So what did I do? I went ahead and filtered it by entering visa sponsorship. I typed in visa sponsorship and then I searched. So as soon as I searched, I started seeing different job postings, and you can see the ones that's clearly stated, we are unable to provide visa sponsorship or work. We are unable to provide visa sponsorship or work permit assistance for this position, which means it is not for you. So you go through all of them. I went through a lot of them. This is a kitchen chef, unable to provide sponsorship. Montessori teacher, you see, visa sponsorship. Bachelor's degree in education or early childhood education to qualify for work visa sponsorship. Interviews will be conducted as we receive application. Deadline is the 27th of July. It was posted on June 23rd, okay, which is still fresh. So this one now is offering visa sponsorship, work visa sponsorship if you qualify, and they only need bachelor's degree in education. So if you studied bachelor's degree in education, double major, like if you did economics in education, that's double major. You can apply for this one. This has visa sponsorship support. This one, junior full stack developer. Please note that we unfortunately do not offer relocation support or visa sponsorship. So I was going through all of them until I found out a couple of them. So this one is, this one says if you will now or in the future require immigration sponsorship for employment, visa sponsorship for employment, visa status selector. So if you would require a visa sponsorship in the future, they said you should submit application. And marketing and RevOps project assistant, they don't offer visa sponsorship. And this one, the hub mobile developer, it says we can support relocation to Copenhagen for the right candidate, including visa sponsorship where applicable. So this one too is offering visa sponsorship. This one says they do not offer visa sponsorship. And Global Connect here says Global Connect does not offer. Yeah, you can load more jobs until you find what you're looking for. But I already found out a couple, which I'm going to share. I'll also leave the link in the description. But yeah, this one is from Roku Jobs, Senior QA Automation Architect. Do you now or will you in the future require employment visa sponsorship or support? They said you should apply here. And this Roku Jobs, they have other jobs in their website if you go there. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to filter the jobs to find visa sponsorship jobs. Because if you just come onto this website and you see the 3,000 plus jobs, you're not going to see visa sponsorship directly. Okay? You will not see visa sponsorship directly. You need to filter the keywords. This is part of what we're going to teach you during our Migration Ready Career Bootcamp. So if you don't use the actual keywords you need, even in your LinkedIn profile, if you don't use the actual keyword, you cannot find visa sponsorship jobs. You cannot continue to do broad searches. It will not yield fruits. So this is how you would do it. I was able to pick out these ones. I was able to pick out this one. This one is Montessori teacher. Yeah. So it's from Tiny Tot International Daycare and Preschool. They are integrated international preschool kindergarten in Copenhagen, Denmark, approved by communist municipalities. They currently have 2 locations in different parts of the Copenhagen area. Their program is inspired by high scope and Montessori pedagogical frameworks dedicated to providing quality childcare, interactive learning, and memorable experiences. Their preschool program is designed to be different, flexible, and encourage active hands-on learning while introducing age-appropriate academic challenges. So this is the website to look at the job details, but everything you need is also here. Okay, responsibilities include plan and oversee the implementation of the curriculum and annual wheel for activities and events, ensure all planning and implementation are complete according to the planned schedule, ensure hands-on guidance for the teachers and assistant teachers together with their local curriculum trainer. So go through what you need: language and education, high-level fluency in English, minimum C1 level IELTS, but 7.5. So you need IELTS. Fluency in Danish is preferable, but it's not compulsory. You need bachelor's degree in education or early childhood education or recognized teaching qualification. You also need 4.5 years of teaching experience in kindergarten, school, early years with at least 2 years of experience in leading teams. Applicant trained and certified in Montessori pedagogy and have at least 3 years of hands-on experience. As for personal qualities, you need to be flexible and proactive when it comes to responsibilities and tasks, typical for a small but dynamic organization. Go through it. As for salary, they offer high competitive salary, pension, and benefits within international childcare sector in Denmark. Work visa. Work visa can be sponsored for the right candidate. Non-EU candidate need to have, just listen to this carefully, guys. Listen to it carefully. It says, work visa can be sponsored for the right candidate. It goes on to say, non-EU candidates need to have bachelor's degree in education, early childhood education, to qualify for work visa sponsorship. This is amazing, isn't it? You need either bachelor's degree in education, early childhood education to qualify. for work visa sponsorship. Interviews will be conducted as they receive applications. And please note that due to high volume of applications, only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for interview process. So sometimes these companies don't want to waste time contacting everybody. So if you don't qualify and if they don't get back to you, know that they're not shortlisted for that position. But if you are, they'll get back to you. So this position is highly competitive. If you click on apply now, it takes you to Tiny Talk Denmark Careers. Then this is where you're going to do the application. Everything you need is here. Everything you need is here. They also have other positions in different cities. This one is field. Assistant teacher is still open. Montessori teacher is still open. Kindergarten substitute teacher is still open. So go now. As soon as you finish watching this video, go and apply. Okay, go and apply. And then I found this one. This one is unsolicited application, WPP Media, Copenhagen office. Okay, go through it. I don't want this video to be too long. Go through it and see, and also send the application like this. The application process is easy because it's powered by Greenhouse. You can do quick apply by putting your CV here. This is another one I found, mobile developer. They're looking for a React Native developer to join their team in Copenhagen. And check it out as well and apply. This one is another one, local jobs. They have different jobs on this platform you can apply to. I'll leave the links to these ones in the description. I just wanted to tell you guys that, yes, it is possible. 100% possible to land a visa sponsorship job overseas. Forget all these things you're seeing on social media. It is 100% possible. That you did not get a job, that your brother or sister did not land a visa sponsorship job, does not mean that others cannot. As long as you use the right keywords to search, you will find something, guys. So I'm here to encourage anyone that is trying to move abroad to keep searching. Using the right keywords. That's why I'm inviting you to this Migration Ready Career Bootcamp coming up in August. On that bootcamp, will help you rebuild your CV, optimize your LinkedIn, show you how to do a proper job search, and you will also be given a 30-day plan to help you. You're not just doing the bootcamp and going away. We are going to give you a 30-day career plan to help you, put everything you're going to learn into action. The link will be in the description. Join now before sports fail. Also, links to the website mentioned will be in the description. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, link is also in the description of this video, because I see a lot of you want to talk to me. People I've spoken to in the past, you can testify in the comment. Okay, when you speak to me, your perspective will change. Okay, so that's the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share, and keep searching with the right words. There are visa sponsorship jobs out there. There are companies out there. There are communities out there that need you to come and work and live in their communities. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.